And after mega alliances in the auto sector, today was yet another turn. Eicher Motors and Volvo got together for a mega JV, but there are loopholes in that entire JV. Siddharth Patankar has the entire story.
It's the latest alliance in the auto sector. Eicher and Volvo of Sweden come together for a $768 million joint venture. Eicher Motors will transfer all its commercial vehicle assets, including production and distribution, into a subsidiary. This new subsidiary will form the basis of the joint venture between the two companies. Volvo is bringing in its truck dealer and service network in India, valued at $75 million, plus cash to the tune of $275 million. But now the twist. Volvo's truck and bus production site in Bangalore will stay out of this JV. All future products to roll out from the joint venture will be branded only Eicher, and Volvo will get access to Eicher's distribution network and component supply chain.
Let's make it very clear. The Pithampur, which is the Eicher plant, will continue produce Eicher branded trucks and buses today, tomorrow, and even in the future. The operations of Volvo Trucks India, which are moved to this new joint venture, is the sales only. The manufacturing base for Volvo Trucks will stay in Bangalore and outside this joint venture.
Volvo is looking to cash in on the synergies emerging from this joint venture, not so much from the point of view of its position in the Indian market, but more from the point of leveraging better cost and better efficiencies for its global production. So it seems that there will be no significant transfer of technology to Eicher from Volvo, since Volvo badged vehicles will stay out of the deal. And that was just one reason why the Eicher stock plummeted today, wavering 25% off its day high, closing down over 12%. The market had expected better valuations for Eicher and also expected Eicher management to offload significant stake in the listed entity rather than form a new joint venture. Instead, Volvo is only going to pick up an 8.1% stake in Eicher Motors Ltd, which gets it no board representation.
We found that this is really the best structure based on all of the partners' requirements, and this structure allows that if such a large amount of cash were to come in to EML, that would dilute all the shareholders tremendously. So this way we can have all the Eicher Motors Limited shareholders will continue to have the same holding as they do today, and we'll be able to consolidate the joint ventures the balance sheet into Eicher Motors Limited.
The two sides have merely signed a letter of intent, and the exact terms of the joint venture in terms of products and capacity still need to be worked out, which could be what shareholders will now look for. In New Delhi, Siddharth Patankar, NDTV.